Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make creamy blue Hawaiian mocktail. Take a shaker glass and add some ice cube into the shaker glass. Then pour 60 ml of fresh cream. After that, just pour 20 ml of blue Coroco syrups. Then pour 20 ml of coconut syrup. Then you have to pour 210 ml of pineapple juice. You can add some sugar syrup also. After that you have to shake all the ingredients. Shake well. And take another glass, pour all the ingredients into the glass. See, your mocktail is ready. Creamy blue Hawaiian mocktail. This is the creamy based mocktail. And you have to garnish with some mint leaf or anything.